Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. The highlights. Avyaya Aerospace is set to unveil next generation swarm drones for the Indian Army by end of 2025. DDP has updated the SOP and open general export licenses to make defense exports more business friendly and reduce bureaucratic hurdles. Apollo Microsystems has been awarded a contract for the procurement of a vehicle mounted counter swarm drone system under the Make 2 category. Indian government now requires complete fighter jet manufacturing within India for the multi-role fighter aircraft MRFA program valued at $23 billion. Cockerill 3105 turret developed by John Cockerill Defense is integrated into the Zorawar light main battle tank. Space startup Pixxel aims to map the moon and asteroids to find materials for building space settlements. UP government invests Rs 950 crores to build world-class infrastructure in the UP Defence Corridor. Zen Technologies launches 4 AI-powered anti-drone products. Volz Servos awarded Airbus contract as supplier for SIRTAP tactical unmanned aircraft systems. Northrop Grumman and Mitsubishi Electronic to support core mission capabilities in Japan. And France joins Germany, Italy, and Poland in new ELSA long-range missile project. The news in detail. Thane-based Avyaya Aerospace is set to unveil next-generation swarm drones for the Indian Army by the end of 2025. These drones will operate cooperatively for defense, disaster management, and surveillance. The drones will have sophisticated AI, communication protocols, high-altitude all-weather capabilities, and a cruising speed of 105 kilometers per hour. The project leverages technology and research from Israel, a leader in drone technology. Avyaya Aerospace is in initial discussions with the Indian Army, the Ministry, and Civil Aviations for potential acquisition. The Department of Defense Production (DDP) has updated the standard operating procedures and open general export licenses to make defense exports more business friendly and reduce bureaucratic hurdles. The scope of OGELs now includes 41 Wassenaar Arrangement countries, providing greater flexibility for Indian defense exporters. In May 24, 108 export authorizations were issued to 26 countries, totaling to 722 crore rupees, with private companies contributing significantly. The Standing Committee on Private Sector Participation processed 19 industrial licenses applications, promoting more private sector involvement in the defense industry. Apollo Microsystems is shortlisted keeping in view the capability and was awarded Make 2 project of the Indian Army. This project is for the procurement of a vehicle mounted counter swarm drone system version 1 under the Make 2 category of the DAP 2020. According to the new MRFA policy, the Indian government now requires complete fighter jet manufacturing within India for the multi-role fighter aircraft program valued at $23 billion. Vendors must establish manufacturing units in India and transfer technology, forming JVs with local partners. This policy shift may cause delays in the MRFA acquisition process, and the move aims to achieve self-reliant India in the defense sector by developing a robust domestic aerospace industry. Cockerill 3105 turret. This turret, developed by John Cockerill Defense, is integrated into the DRDO's Zorawar light main battle tank. It offers advanced targeting, fire control systems, and a reliable autoloader. This turret is compatible with both wheeled and tracked chassis, features a 105 mm high pressure gun, and provides up to level 5 ballistic protection. It includes 360 degrees situational awareness, anti-tank capability, and various protection systems like smoke grenade launchers and anti-sniper detection. Urban combat advantage. The main gun's elevation capability of more than 42 degrees allows effective engagement in urban environments. The space startup Pixxel aims to map the moon and asteroids to find materials for building space settlements. The cameras used are hyperspectral cameras initially designed for Earth observation and can be repurposed to explore other celestial bodies. Asteroid mining. Pixel Space plans to identify asteroids with valuable materials such as ice, which can be used as fuel or water in space. The startup plans to launch 6 hyperspectral satellites this year and another 18 next year to complete its constellation in low Earth orbit. The UP government is developing world-class infrastructure in the state's defense industrial corridor. The government is investing rupees 950 crores in this project, which includes the construction of high-quality roads, electricity, water, sewer, and security systems. The Defense Industrial Corridor consists of 6 nodes, with the allocated funds designated for 5 of them. Projects worth approximately 187 crores have been completed so far, while works exceeding 537 crores are currently underway. The UPIDA has allocated rupees 941 crores for infrastructure development in Aligarh, Kanpur, Jhansi, Lucknow and Chitrakoot nodes. Jhansi having the largest investment with projects totaling over rupees 517 crores. Completed works in Jhansi exceed rupees 102 crores, while ongoing projects are worth more than 376 crores and over rupees 37 crores is reserved for future projects. Aligarh has over 122 crores invested, with completed works exceeding 37 crores and ongoing works worth rupees 61 crores. Tenders for projects worth more than 13 crores have been issued and approximately rupees 10 crores is reserved for upcoming projects. Kanpur over 62 crores is allocated, with more than 32 crores of work completed and 16 crores under construction and tenders of works worth more than 13 crores. Lucknow mode over 162 crores are underway. Of this, works exceeding 14 crores have been completed and projects worth more than 82 crores are under construction. Tenders for works worth rupees 13 crores have been issued and more than 56 crores is reserved for future projects. Chitrakoot node over 71 crores is being spent on, on the project. Currently, projects worth 39 lakhs are under construction with tenders issued for works exceeding 10 crores. Additionally, more than 61 crores is set aside for upcoming projects. Zen Technologies has launched 4 new products in partnership with subsidiary AI Turing Technologies. A Hawkeye, an anti-drone system camera with multiple sensor detection modules for all-weather drone tracking up to 15 kilometers. Barbaric URCWS. Zen claims that this is the world's lightest remote-controlled weapon station, offering precise targeting capabilities for ground vehicles and naval vessels. Prahasta, automated quadruped using LiDAR and reinforcement learning for real-time 3D terrain mapping, mission planning, navigation, and threat assessment. It can be armed with various caliber weapons from 9 mm, 5.56 mm, 7.62 mm, and used as the first line of defense during operations like 2611 to save lives. The fourth, Steer Stab 640, a stabilized sight for armored vehicles, ICVs, and boats with gyro stabilized system. It provides situational awareness with automatic search and tracking capabilities. Zen Technologies has a dedicated R&D facility in Hyderabad, which is recognized by the Ministry of Science and Technology and has filed for over 150 patents. Some global news. Raytheon has been awarded a $1.2 billion contract to enhance Germany's air defense infrastructure by providing additional Patriot air and missile defense systems. The contract includes the supply of the latest Patriot configuration 3 plus radars, launchers, command and control stations, along with associated spares and support. These additions are expected to significantly augment Germany's ability to defend against a range of airborne threats. Northrop Grumman Corporation and Mitsubishi Electric Corporation signed a memorandum of understanding to develop new opportunities for mission solutions in the United States and Japan. Under this MOU, Northrop Grumman and Melco will jointly pursue opportunities to deliver key capabilities including electronic warfare, radar, power systems, connectivity, communications and processing, modeling and simulation, underwater sensors, and uncrewed underwater vehicles. Both companies will collaborate on strategic industrial co production opportunities and full life cycle capabilities, including logistics and sustainment. Northrop Grumman has a long history in Japan, dating back to the late 1950s when the Japan Self Defense Force used the Grumman Avenger aircraft for maritime patrol, the Albatross aircraft for search and rescue, and the Tracker aircraft for anti submarine warfare. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.